Good morning, gentlemen. How are we doing? Come right on in here.
All right. Well, thank you all for being here to attend the kickoff for Manufacturing Week.
This is the kickoff event that we are hosting as part of a 3-day series of events dedicated towards promoting manufacturing in Southern Indiana.
Our goal today and through this week is to expose high school students who are making career decisions on all of the opportunities available for them within the manufacturing sector.
Manufacturing is such an important thing to our community, our state, our country, and we're very excited to have an opportunity to try and make an impact on it in helping people understand some of the great careers that are out here.
This kickoff event is to really get people excited about what's happening over the next 3 days, and that is the students visiting with the manufacturers and exploring those possible careers. This is an opportunity to partner with Amatrol, one of our great employers in the area, but also they give back to the community and help people understand what a career in manufacturing could look like on a day-to-day basis.
Obviously, logistics is a big thing where we got to store the pieces.
It's so important to Amatrol. We're committed to providing technical education and training for industry, K through 12, universities and high schools.
Somebody came up with this brilliant idea, well, let's just laser engrave that.
The jobs are secure, they are innovative, they're exciting, and this is an opportunity for 740 high school students from 14 area high schools to meet with manufacturers and to talk to them about career opportunities.
This is a perfect time to be getting a better focus on what your career direction is, because you've got so many opportunities in your high schools today, in the community colleges and the universities, and there's just a lot of different directions you can go in.
You have the potential with a career in manufacturing not only to earn above average money, but also to be part of something that is incredibly exciting right now.
Everybody has to learn math, everybody has to learn science. And as we look at manufacturing, there's so many applications for what these students are learning in school that this week is really geared to help them understand how what they're learning today could impact their career in the future.